Can foundation repair and crawl space house leveling work be done incrementally or in phases? Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I'm here to answer that question today. The answer is it depends, or yes and no, and sometimes maybe, and sometimes not. But in this case, this is a good example of one case where we are able to do that. Years ago, about 10 years ago, we got a call to do some work in this home. You can tell some of the work that we did was sistering new floor joists next to originals right here. The contrast between the pressure-treated pine that was used 10 years ago versus the age of the original material that's more close to 70, 75 years old is just night and day. This is glowing yellow because of the pressure-treated pine material that was in place. We replaced a section of mud sill here that was rotted out, and you can see there's a cut right there where everything else towards the rear of the home was still intact. And that's what we did to support the floors in this bathroom area. 10 years have gone by, they've continued to use the bathroom, and now they're ready for a remodel. And now we need to do the rest of the work. Before, they weren't ready to cut out the floors and do all the invasive procedures and techniques to replace the subfloor. But you can tell now how damaged this subfloor is. This is a little tongue and groove laid a diagonal, and it just chips and breaks apart. I'm actually right underneath the tub. There's the P-trap for it, old P-trap right over there. And so that back wall of the tub's gonna be right through here, and you can tell with just that water splashing down on the tile, coming around about the tub, it's just rotted out that subfloor even more. So 10 years ago, they weren't ready to do a full invasive subfloor repair, which would mean we'd have to cut out the floors through the home in this area and then walk through the home to get everything nice and tight and secure. But now with the remodel pending, this is going to be the time to address these issues, take care of all this subfloor so they can put down a nice tile and be confident with the way that's going to hold up. So the answer, I go back to yes and no. Sometimes you can do it in phases. It really depends on the needs of the home and the homeowner.